All right, it is Monday today. This is day 5 of my discipline challenge, and I still haven't had a win on it yet. So, hoping that today is the day that I can take my one trade, shut it down, and be done for the day, regardless of the outcome of the trade. So, right off the open, I've mapped out about a 32-point opening range, which has been pretty typical, I'd say, since mid to end of June. It's been like a 30-point range. So pretty standard. Right now I'm looking at my C setups. So we're trading above the opening range. Basically, I'm looking for a break of the range and for it to fail and come back into the range, and then I would take a short. So I'm just watching, measuring out this bar. If that stays the low of the bar, then it's kind of like a perfect entry spot for me. So just hoping to get my trade in early and be done and then stay out. All right, so it's 10 points. I got my stop sell set. My TP is automatically at 15, so that gets me my 1.5. Trade is triggered here.
And you might think, what if I fall? Well, what if you don't? What if you fly?
All right, let's see how my trade did. Okay. Looks like I had a winner today. Awesome. So I took my C short strategy. It was a 10-point stop. I'm going for 1.5 to 1. So I had a 15-point TP and it hit my TP. This one would have, had I done 2 to 1 on it, it would have got 2 to 1. I just kind of keep track of that. I just keep track of that as I go because maybe 2 to 1 would work out better. I've just found that 1.5 is pretty consistent, and I'm just trying for consistency and trying to have a higher win rate, just because I think it's better for my psychology when I have a higher win rate, and 1.5 gives me a higher win rate than 2 to 1. Okay, awesome. So the trade won, C short, and up until 10 a.m., which is my trading cutoff, I think it would have been the best setup of the day. It didn't break the opening range, and then that lower line I've got there is where the gap would be filled from Sunday's open. It gapped up, but yeah, that's awesome. I'm super happy with today's trade. Quick, easy, 15 points done after 7 minutes of trading, which is really that's ideal. It's what I'm going for. Just get in, look at the charts for 5 minutes, sort of get things set up, and then see my trade set up, take it, close it down, and then check it later. Today, I think I waited maybe an hour and a half. Last week, the one successful day where I shut it down after the trade, I checked like right at an hour kind of thing, and then it lost and I jumped right back in. So today I thought I need to give it a little bit more time before I check the outcome of the trade. So hour and a half, I saw that it won. Awesome. Good. Get on with my day and be done with trading. I know 15 points doesn't seem like a lot, like it's not a huge winner, but the plan here is consistency and discipline. And if I can keep my discipline on track and I can stay consistent, if I'm consistently getting 15 points a day or somewhere, in the 10 to 15 point range, awesome. I can scale up, right? Like I can use prop firms and I can scale up and make more than enough money doing that. Even just on the 5 micros right now, 15 points a day is awesome. So super happy with today. I finally got my first winning day in the challenge. Last week was a little bit embarrassing, losing every day on my discipline challenge. So finally got one in. That's awesome. I hope you liked the video. And if you want to join me on this discipline challenge, then I would love to hear from you. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you're going to take on the same challenge that I'm taking of 1 trade a day and close it, or if you have a different discipline challenge that you're working on for your trading. I'd love to hear about it. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.